Hey tartlets, it's Deanna. I hope you guys are getting ready for Coachella if you're going. And if you are and you're vegan and you want to know what can I eat at Coachella if I'm a vegan, I have a list of all the vegan places that you can eat while you are at Coachella. And then I'm gonna try to make some vegan cookies myself because they do have a vegan cookie place here, Rocco's Sweet Shop, which just sounds amazing to me. They have vegan cookies and popsicles. I love popsicles, anything like Italian ice, love that stuff. And that is located at the Rose Garden VIP, and they have apparently these really delicious peanut butter bliss cookies. I'm sure I'm not going to even come close to making my cookies as great as these ones apparently are, but we're gonna try, and this recipe is actually gonna be super easy. It's a 4-ingredient recipe, so let's do it. All the ingredients in here, we're just gonna mix it all up together, and then again, just roll them into balls and place them on your baking sheet and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to actually sprinkle, ooh, that was a lot. Sprinkle or totally load up on some edible glitter, and then I'll also put some dark, wow Deanna, and then I'll also put some dark chocolate morsels on some of them too. This might be a little bit of a fail because they're gigantic. They really spread out, but I think it's okay. Just large cookies, and the glitter is so Coachella. Okay, so one thing to note, I put mine in originally for 8 minutes, but I think it needs a little bit more, like 10, because mine were still a little mushy and not as firm. So I popped them back in, but I did taste them and they're pretty good, just saying. Believe it or not, Coachella did a great job because they actually do provide you with a ton of great options. I'm gonna read through just some of the ones on my list right here. All right, so if you're going for a really nice restaurant, there's this place called Little Pine, and it's in the VIP area, and it actually is a Mediterranean and California-based vegan restaurant. So I suggest you check that out if you're looking for something more formal. And then of course, there are a ton of casual pop-up restaurants. There's the Cena Vegan, which is vegan burritos, nachos, and tacos, and that's located at the Indio Central Market and the VIP tent. They also have a couple different vegan ice cream places, and that'll be amazing when it's really hot out. Them is called Magpies, which is in the VIP area, and that one is a vegan soft serve. And they also have a Coco Bella Creamery, which is in VIP as well. That has vegan ice cream, and what else? Van Leeuwen Ice Cream has vegan ice cream and regular ice cream. And if I were going to Coachella and I was going to be eating vegan, I would probably hit up the, I'm probably saying this wrong, but Herbivorous Butcher. And that one is gonna be in the Terrace West. They have vegan fried chicken. I would definitely be there in a heartbeat. So that's the Herbivorous Butcher, and that's located in the Terrace West. There's a vegan ramen place called Ramen Hood. I think that's hysterical, great name. And that is at Indio Central Market. Vibe Organic Kitchen has vegan grain bowls, and that's located in the VIP area as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Let me know in the comments down below if you are going to Coachella, and also let me know if you are trying out these 4-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Until next time, tartlets, bye!